This looks like a nice school. Look. Wow. We've just finished up and we're about to make a TikTok, is it? She's TikTok viral. So we're here with Andrew today. What did we get up to?
We had our MYOB start to at Avondale College. We're a Decile 4 school in West Auckland with a large business program, and yeah, I think the kids really got a lot out of the young people, speaking to them about how the future direction of business is going and the environment, and it was good to see our kids slightly step out of their comfort zone and do some elevator pitches and create some ideas. So thanks guys for coming.
Awesome, thanks for having us, Andrew. We just finished up the first school, only one school today.
Maybe not.
Maybe two, we don't know. But we're about to get some food at Woolworths. Just came to a little realization that this is a great place to grow a hedge. There's so many beautiful hedges. Look at them. First coffee in 30 days. So short black.
Yep.
Oh, I have to like scoop it up. Tiani thinks I've got bipolar.
I didn't say that.
What did you say?
I just say you react well to coffee. Hey Dylan. What do you call that one, Dylan?
Sorry?
What do you call that one?
Benji Marshall. Shots fired. Bang bang. I ate my first kiwi fruit with the skin on. I didn't know you could eat it with the skin on. Give a demonstration, Tiani. Go. Look at that. How many kiwi fruits have you had today?
This is my 6th.
6! And it's only 2 o'clock. 1:30 actually. My Australian passport. Doing a 7-day trial, let's see if it works. Done. Got into Anytime Fitness.